Have you ever noticed that as we get older, our legs seem to lose their strength first? It's heartbreaking, really. Those same legs that carried us through decades of adventures, play, and dance start to feel wobbly. But what if I told you there are simple foods, yes, foods, that can help keep your legs strong, mobile, and steady? Stick around because you do not want to miss this. I'll be real with you. Watching a loved one struggle to get up out of a chair or to walk across a room is one of the hardest things ever. Independence feels like it's slipping away. But here's the truth. Your body is always trying to heal and rebuild, no matter your age. The secret? Giving it the right fuel. Let's dive into the 3 foods you must eat to keep those legs strong and healthy, especially if you're over 60. Number 1, salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon fights inflammation and supports muscle repair. That means less pain, less swelling, and more strength. A couple of servings a week can truly make a difference. And hey, if you're not a fish fan, try walnuts or flax seeds. They're packed with plant-based omegas. Number 2, spinach. I know it sounds basic, but spinach is a powerhouse for your muscles. It's loaded with magnesium and potassium, 2 minerals that help prevent cramping and keep your muscles firing like they should. Toss it in a salad, blend it in a smoothie. Just get it in your routine. Number 3, Greek yogurt. Why? Protein, calcium, and vitamin D all in one tasty package. Greek yogurt helps build and preserve muscle mass. Without strong muscles, your legs can't support you. So a bowl of Greek yogurt every day can go a long way. Maybe even with some berries for a brain boost too. Look, growing older is a privilege, but staying strong is a choice. It's never too late to start. You deserve to walk, dance, and explore, just like you always have. I hope you feel inspired to add these foods to your plate and keep those legs moving for years to come. If this video helped you, tell me in the comments, what's your favorite food for staying strong? And if you know someone who needs to hear this message, share this video with them. Let's keep each other moving, one step at a time.